Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download and install a Jotunnslayer Hordes of Hell game on PC, and this is for the Epic Game users. So open Epic Games launcher and then scroll down. Here you will see free games Jotunnslayer Hordes of Hell, or you can also type Jotunnslayer Hordes of Hell in the search bar and then hit on search, or you can click on this Jotunnslayer Hordes of Hell game, and here you can see it is free. You will get this get option, and you can see that sales ends on 12/19/2025. That means sales is ending on 19 December 2025. So you can get this game for free on Epic Games right now. So click on this get button. Just wait, it is loading your order, and then you can click on place order. And then you can see view in library. So click on view in library, and here you will see this game is added in my library. So click on install button, click again on install, click yes to allow, and then you can see this game is installing on my PC. You can also click on this arrow icon, that is a download icon, and here you can see Jotunnslayer Hordes of Hell game is getting installed on my PC. So by this way you can easily download and install Jotunnslayer Hordes of Hell game on PC via the Epic Games launcher for free until 19th December 2025. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.